Good morning.
Guten Morgen.
You've been taking your German classes.
Yeah. I try my best.
It's the end of the year. It's the end of 2024.
Mm-hmm.
Today is the 30th. Tomorrow's the 31st. Happy New Year to you, wherever you may be in the future, probably. We're going to the store. We're going to the grocery store. Where are we going?
Albertsons.
Albertsons. But that's not what this video is about. No, it's not.
What?
No.
Oh, why?
No, today's video is about the Aquarium of the Pacific. Desiree and I have been to a zoo together before. We've been to the aquarium now. And I didn't
It was so small. Just saying.
Yeah, I didn't expect to make a video about it because it's not a very big place, but it's kind of cool. And we got some cool footage, so I wanted you to see it.
There was a few
Let's talk
cool
through
things.
Let's talk through the thing, okay? Because
And like probably 3.
okay, we're here to, make a happy video.
What those 3 things were happy. What am I doing?
So we arrived in the morning. We got there about an hour before everybody else did, actually. We decided to go get some food, but nothing was open, not a thing. And then we had to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, I was about to pee on the stairs. But I went to the place where you went, and I just waited. I actually went one by one and touched all the dirty doors.
Yes, so public alert, there are some public bathrooms. But you have to, there's one all the way behind the aquarium, and then there are some. I thought they were all locked. They weren't. Anyways, I'm just talking because we have a lot of footage, Desiree, to show. A lot of fun footage of the aquarium as we arrived with the family. And after we got through our crisis of urination, everything was fine. And we went inside. And there was a big whale. There's no whale at the aquarium.
Yeah.
But, so we were there with family, and I might sneak some family pictures in. They didn't necessarily say they wanted to be on video, so I won't tell you who, but... So yeah, it's not very big, and I've got some quick shots here just as we went in, and, there's some fish. And a giant slug.
See that?
It's right here. Look at it. Look, it's right here.
A slug.
Slug?
What the fuck are you talking about?
It's on the screen right now. I can imagine it in my head.
Well,
I'm talking.
A slug, sea slug, I guess, I don't know.
Getting a heart attack looking at that.
It's pretty creepy, isn't it?
What else did you see that I might have some interesting footage of?
Just the birds.
Yeah, we're gonna get to the birds. That was the thing. Ironic thing is the best part was birds.
Feeding the Lorikeets.
Feeding the Lorikeets at the aquarium. Yeah, that's right. Hang on, stay with us. First we have some...
The jellyfish were cool.
There you go, look at that, wow.
you.
And other invertebrates throughout the area, similar to what you would find in the ocean. We offer GIANT Sea Slug
Waving at me. Hey! Yeah, look at all of the. Oh, okay, watch out. I'm gonna go back down there because I want to get the. Now you're gonna move, huh?
We're here.
What else did you think about the aquarium? Let's turn right. So here we are.
The seals were cute.
The seals.
I mean, were they seals? What the fuck were those things? Otters?
Otters?
No.
Oh, there were some seals. There were some seals. I didn't get very much.
Wait a minute. Hold
I didn't
on
get
now.
pictures of the seals. That's right. That's right. I was trying to do like the weird time-lapse footage, so I didn't get very much good stuff. Oh, look at these worms. These are weird. These are eels, I guess. They come out of the rocks. They're not this fast, though. And we went outside and we saw the penguins. Here's some time-lapse footage of Desiree with the penguins. Those were cute.
When we go, there's gotta be better aquariums here, right? I mean, let's be real.
Well, what are some other aquariums? In California, there's the Monterey Bay Aquarium, which is where Cannery Row used to be, up
Is that
in
a
Monterey.
bigger one?
It's up by San Francisco. Yeah. I don't know that it's bigger. They made a Star Trek movie there. What other aquariums do you know about? We're going to take a look at these birds because we did have some fun with the Lorikeets, feeding the Lorikeets in the Lorikeet forest. So now as the footage goes in, tell us, what did you feel? Were you scared to death as you entered?
Are you ready?
They give you this juice, right?
Into the
It's like
Lorikeet.
$4 for a
Here we are.
drop of juice in a paper cup.
I went to one other aquarium my whole entire life. Oh no, I didn't. I lied. Hold on. I went to two. One in Houston. Okay. But that was really tiny too.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, really.
Oh, look at that.
That was smaller
That's
than
so cool. Oh my God, hold still.
And then I
my
went
video.
to-
This one, the next one.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
I want to scare you away.
the Baltimore Aquarium.
Yeah, neat. Oh, you got one.
That one's pretty big.
Look at
The
that.
Baltimore Aquarium is pretty big. In Maryland. Well, this is near the ocean. See, this is near the ocean too. It's
Yeah,
right on the
there's,
Pacific, but it's not a very big aquarium.
Hallway that you go through. And then the whole like aquarium is like you're underneath. It's like a glass walkway. Like
Was
So
that in
it's-
the
it's
ocean
like-
in Maryland or what?
no, it's the aquarium. But
When
the
we do it-
aquarium.
Oh,
Yeah, I missed
there's like more of a tube where you're all the way
Like a
underneath
lobster
it.
claw or something
Yeah,
like that?
Yeah, they have that at SeaWorld. They have like the shark encounter. Hang on, hold tight. Here we go.
I was taking a video.
Our Lorikeets will fluctuate. In mood, we want to make sure that we are still respecting their space because this is their home and we want to make sure that they feel safe in that home. If you are finished with your nectar cup, we do ask that you throw them away in one of the 3 trash cans. Let's make sure our aviary here is nice and clean.
Ah! Oh, scared me to death. Hello. Wow. Wow. Hi. Hi, how are you? Yeah? Whew, man, that scared me when you landed. Hi, hi. I see you, I see you. Yeah, you have a little issue on your neck there, pal. Yeah? Wow, man. That poor guy right there. Oh, look at him. He's like, he's molting and pooping. Wah! Hello. Sure, you can have some, sure. What happened to all your feathers, dude? Are you molting? You want to get some video? Come on in. Yeah, come on in.
I'll just take a look. Oh,
Go ahead, that's what I'm doing too. You can get as close as you want to, my friend. Oh, I love that tiny camera. That's so cool. Hey, you want to see here?
Oh, wow. I'm gonna.
You want to see the bird? Right there. You want to see the bird? Whoa! They both like you guys.
Yeah.
I think you have to hold pretty still. Okay, I'm holding still.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
Still, Irene, you're wandering. Here, here.
You just move super slow.
Okay.
Just move super slow. Yeah, see?
Super snow. Hey! Is that baby bird or he just lost his fur?
I think he's molting. Yeah. I think lost his the feathers come out
Yeah.
once a year. You know, you lose some feathers. Or he's sick. I don't think
he's sick. I think it's because if it's sick, then they will get him out.
Right, I think they would take him out, right? Are you sick, buddy? Are you sick?
Whoa!
Here, let me let you go, okay? There you go, buddy. Bye. Let's try this hand. Did you poop on me? I feel like you did. Okay. Okay, there we go, pal. Here, you want some of your own?
Magic.
There you go.
Tell you.
Yeah.
Wow. He liked you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here, let me give you a... Okay, hold still, buddy. Don't get mad at me.
You want me to hold it?
Oh, okay. Bye. Thank you.
On YouTube.
Thank you. Oh, good. I'll put it.
I have some videos like this, right? So please watch on
Show it to
YouTube.
my grandchildren. I love that too.
Yeah, we go to the zoo, the San Diego Zoo. If they like to watch animals, you know, when they come to visit, put it on YouTube and you can watch.
Awesome.
Thank you. You have a good day. Thank
You too, friends.
Oh, I think you got one. Zach.
Yeah.
Still the same bird.
I got a cranky one, man. He wants his.
I got the hungry one.
And still, buddy. Yeah, I got you on video, pal. That's pretty awesome, man. Wow.
So like, this is the same one that's been.
Yeah. You got the same bird over there?
Don't leave me.
I wasn't gonna do a video about this, but I'm gonna have to put up a YouTube short. Hey! Will you shoot a quick video?
Video?
No, don't worry about it. It's okay.
Oh my god. No. I can't even see them.
Boy, he is cleaning up. This bird wants it all. Don't you? Yeah. This one will come get more after I'm done. Watch this. He's hungry.
Oh my god, they're so fun.
Just hang out long and hold it out a little more. Make it look a little more. I think he's gonna finish this one up.
The fling nectar everywhere.
Yeah, right?
Very cool.
He's a messy eater.
Yeah.
Here, come over this way. We'll get some more for you here. We had like 5 of them over here a little while ago.
You want him to?
Like, no.
No, they're not gonna switch, but we'll get more over here. Here. Go stand over here. Yeah. Just hold it out and move slow. You'll get one. It's pretty cool, huh? Oh no, they'll bite. Careful. Yeah. He'll bite me. I feel bad for you, buddy. I'm gonna leave your nectar right here, okay? How about this? Here, watch this. Okay, there you go. You don't want it? Oh, you had to. Well, good. Thank you for not peeing on me. I appreciate that. I really do. Really do. Are you done? Huh?
So what did you think about the Aquarium of the Pacific?
I think it's done. I'm gonna put it away now.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
I went there super excited because I thought it was going to be like this gigantic thing. Because, see, I don't like to look up things before going to places. So I didn't actually even know what to expect at all. So it was a huge surprise. A little surprise.
That it was little?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm visiting
Yeah.
with Mr. V.
Yeah.
That's funny.
But I went.
He's still going.
We've seen it.
Yep.
We visited.
Oh, you're
So,
okay. Hey,
check
you're
it out.
fine, you're fine.
Tell us what you think.
This is the same bird.
And like we
The
said-
same bird the whole time.
It's Desiree's friend.
Bye for now.
Man, he's
I got
really...
good pictures. Funny.